Hello, welcome to the Alligators Band 2018. Ooh, first mess up of the year. The 2018 experience. I'm your lead singer, and I don't believe you. And this is something I wrote when I was just a young boy in like 2003. I wasn't that young. I was still like a couple thousand years old, but whatever. The song is titled Hat-Wearing Things. And I'm your lead singer. My name is Egg Boy. And on guitar, we have a man.
Red Chili Pepper. TJ Maxx.
I also play guitar, as well, as you can see, with my vintage 1959 Gibson Les Paul. I'm ready to play Hat-Wearing Things when you are, Father. Put the things inside of me, call me Master Wasabi. Put things inside of my brain. I put the drugs in my veins, and they make me feel alright. They help me get through the night. And when I put things inside of you too, they let me know exactly what to do. They tell me go inside of his mouth, take a pee on his seat, and let him know you're heading south. Dark and evil things in the water and night, and they give me such a fright. They break my heart a million times, and they teach me how to rhyme. Oh, I pay my blood for everything you've done. I'll pay my blood. I'll pay it right.
Thank.